Hello everyone, my name is Bala Ganesh Vinod. On 18th May 2017, I traveled from Bangalore to Vishakapatnam on AirAsia flight. Just after the takeoff, I observed some lightings in the cloud. I tried to shoot them with my mobile, so please excuse me for the clarity of the shots as they are taken on Redmi 3S Prime. To skip this video and jump right to the lightning part, I have included the timestamp in the description below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.